Awesome.
I'm east.
Just one hit on each?
One hit each.
One hit each? Where's his timer? Oh, Jesus. Can I put this on your otherwise strap?
Wherever you need to, boss.
Feel it dunk. Ganz gut. Alright, I'm going to wait for you to get your actual acquisition and then we'll put it down. Okay. Normally guys start there.
I know I'm going to get these ones.
Gotcha.
So,
okay. Go ahead and lean into it.
Alright. I'm not racked.
Alright. When you're ready, go ahead and rack it. Okay. 1 second. Low by like 1.5 feet. Low. The Russians are coming, man. The Russians. By about 1.5 feet. Low by about 1.5 feet.
See, battle rifle?
Yep.
All right, one hit each.
Yeah, 1-1. So you're 308, one hit. Nice and easy, you got it. Nice and smooth.
Plate rack off the hood. That's one.
Nice.
Two.
Take your time.
time. So go ahead, unload. Okay. On that, do we do a aim it down range and click?
Yeah.
All right. All right, good.
I'm gonna lose that.
All right, so that's.
My
Did you get the 300s?
Say again?
Did you shoot the 3s?
I didn't get any. I got one down there, so I got 3 penalties.
3 penalties up there. 3 here. So 6, 15 up there.
Okay. Want me to reset?